MS Office is a suite of productivity software from Microsoft, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. It helps you create, edit, and manage documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and emails with ease. MS Word is a word processing software from Microsoft used for creating, editing, and formatting documents. It's like your go to tool for writing and designing docs, reports, and more. MS Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software that helps you organize, analyze, and visualize data. It's widely used for budgeting, accounting, and data management. MS PowerPoint is a presentation software from Microsoft used to create engaging slideshows, presentations, and pitches. You can add animations, images, videos, and more to make your presentations pop.